Today, I'll show you how to add Square appointments to your Squarespace site, seamlessly integrating your scheduling system to enhance your customer experience. If you're a business owner looking to streamline your booking process, this tutorial is for you. First, we need to start by heading over to your Square Appointments account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the scheduling page. This is where the magic begins. You'll find an option labeled Embed. This is crucial because embedding your appointments on your Squarespace site allows your customers to book directly from your website without any hassle. Click on Embed and you'll see a link. Copy this link as it's going to be the bridge between your scheduling system and Squarespace. Now let's switch gears and head over to your Squarespace site. If you're not already familiar with Squarespace, it's a user-friendly platform that allows you to create beautiful websites without needing extensive coding knowledge. Once you're on your Squarespace site, you'll want to go to the page where you'd like your appointment scheduler to appear. This could be your home page, a dedicated booking page, or anywhere else you feel it fits best. On your chosen page, look for the option to add a new block. In Squarespace, blocks are the building elements of your pages, allowing you to add text, images, forms, and more. Click on Add Block and a variety of block options will appear. From this selection, choose Code. The code block is a versatile tool that lets you add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to your site, which is perfect for embedding external content like your Square appointments. When you select the code block, a blank space appears, inviting you to input your code. Here's where the link you copied earlier comes into play. Paste the HTML snippet that you copied from Square into this space. This snippet is essentially a small piece of code that tells your Squarespace site to display your Square Appointments interface. After pasting the code, take a moment to double check for any errors or missing characters, as these can sometimes occur when copying and pasting code. Once your code is pasted and verified, click Apply to save your changes. This action embeds the Square Appointments directly onto your page. Now, it's time to preview your changes. Squarespace offers a convenient preview option, allowing you to see exactly how your scheduling feature will appear to your visitors. Make sure everything looks good and functions as expected. If any adjustments are needed, go back into the code block to make your tweaks. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Square Appointments into your Squarespace site. This integration not only enhances the functionality of your website, but also provides a seamless booking experience for your customers, potentially increasing your bookings and improving customer satisfaction. And that's it. Now your clients can easily schedule their appointments online directly from your beautiful Squarespace website. This efficient process saves you time and makes it easier for your clients to connect with your services. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your online presence.